Hello and welcome to Music Lesson with Tony Valley. Today we're going to be doing a John Denver song, Country Roads. In today's song we've got 6 chords. Okay, we're going to have an A chord. I'll start you off right here. And it's just going to be strumming all the strings with the first finger on the 1st fret, 3rd string, 2nd finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Strum them all the way through, and that's an A major. Our next one is an F sharp minor. And you want to keep your first 2 fingers down right there, because all you need to do to get the F sharp minor chord is drop your 3rd finger down to the 2nd fret on the 2nd string and strum them all. Okay? So that's an easy transition right there, A to F sharp minor. All right, our next chord is going to be an E chord. Now, easiest way to do this one is to bar your 3rd finger across the 4th fret covering the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string. And you want to put your 1st finger on the 2nd fret, 1st string. Okay? It's kind of tough to get that in there, but what you can do is you can just hit these 3 strings if you're having trouble hitting that note right there. All right? Now the D chord, just going to put your 1st finger down onto the 2nd fret covering the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string. Just play it like that and only hit those 3 strings. All right? Next chord we're going to be using in the song is an E7. And you're going to put your 1st finger on the 1st fret, 4th string, 3rd finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and our 4th finger on that 1st string, 2nd fret. Strum them all, and that's an E7. And then last one is G chord. 1st finger on the 2nd fret, 3rd string, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret, 1st string, 3rd fingers on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, strum them all. So we've got A, F sharp minor, E, D, E7, and G. All right? So we're going to start in the beginning. All you need to do is play the A chord for the intro. You're just going to go down, 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 up, down, up. Okay? So it's just going to go. All right, then the verse is going to start. So in the verse right here, you're going to play this, and a lot of the verse and the chorus parts just repeat. All right, so the verse, and we'll just take it through once. Verse is going to start with the A chord, and you're going to go through it down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Then you're going to change to the F sharp minor. Play that the same way. So what I'm doing right there, I'm going to go back to the A, is I'm playing down, 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 up, down, up. That's considered one time, okay? All right, so let's go back, do the A chord, and we're going to go right through it, and I'll say the chords as I play them. Down, 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 up, down, up. That's an A. F sharp minor. E chord. Now D chord is only played once through. Then back to the A chord. And that's the verse. So let me play it right at the beginning again. And like I said, these verses just repeat. All right, so we're just going to go through it again. A, F sharp minor, E, D, A. All right, so that's going to be a verse. Now a chorus part is going to go A chord. You're going to go through the A chord twice, E chord twice, F sharp minor twice, D chord. Now back to the A chord, E chord, D chord, A chord. All right? So we got 2 different ones right there. We get the verse and we get the chorus. And now what we have here is we have a variation on the verse part, okay? And that one's going to be played with an F sharp minor starting. And it's going to play through once. Then to the E chord. Back to the A chord. Twice. Now D chord. Back to the A chord. And E chord twice. Then the F sharp minor once, then G chord, D chord, A chord, now the E chord twice. Now we're going to hit the E7 once through, and then strum it once. Okay? So let's go back through here. We got the verse, and then we're going to go to the chorus, then play another verse, another chorus, and then we're going to play that verse with that variation in chords right there that I just did. Then we're going to do the chorus twice. And then we're going to do the outro right now. And the outro is just going to be an E chord, an A chord. So you're actually going to play each chord twice. You're going to go E, and this is the outro. Just back and forth. And you can play that as many times as you like at the end right there. So again, we're dealing with an A chord, F sharp minor, an E, D, E7, and a G chord. And again, the format for the song is just the intro, verse once, chorus once, another verse, chorus. Then we're going to do the verse with the variation in chords, chorus again twice, and then our outro right there. So I would like to just go back over your verse, chorus, and variation verse and the end, and just name out the chords so you can write them down. Okay? First verse is going to be, and it's going to go for all the verses, it's going to be an A twice, an F sharp minor twice, an E twice, a D once through that is, and an A chord twice. And again, when I say once or twice, it's that motion through going down, 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 up, down, up. That's considered one. All right? The chorus is just the A chord twice, E chord twice, the F sharp minor twice, a D chord twice, A chord twice, into our E chord twice, D major twice, and then the A major twice. Now that variation one, it's going to start off on the F sharp minor. It's going to play through once, then that E, then the A twice. And let's go to the D once, to the A, then we're going to do the E twice. Then to the F sharp minor, now to the G chord, D, to the A, now E chord twice, then we're going to do our E7 once through, and then at the end of that, you're going to just hit it once. All right? And now the outro is just the E twice, and then the A twice. And then you keep repeating that as many times as you like. All right, so that'll do it for today's lesson. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to email me at tonyvalley@tonyvalley.com. We'll see you for the next lesson.